佢幫你控制嘅，你唔使控制左右加油嘅。
Hey guys, this is Jimmy from Digital Bond. In today's video, we're going to unbox the brand new Samsung Galaxy S10. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here we have the Samsung Galaxy S10 white version with 8GB of RAM, 128GB storage. Okay, let's open the box. Here we have. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. Wow, this is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Prison White version. Let's peel off the plastic. Yup, there is a screen protector attached to it, so we don't have to pay another budget for it. Beside the phone we have the label, power adapter, and a traditional USB Type-C to Type-A adapter. And here we have the power cable and the $100 AKG earbuds. Yes, pretty much it. Let's take a closer look at the phone. So where's the case? Well, inside the top of the box we have this small box, and yeah, here is the case, and there was an inkjet pin, and I guess some paperwork. That's it. We are now at outside testing the Galaxy S10 and Galaxy Note 8 to see what their camera performance is. Okay, let's begin with the Galaxy S10 first. Let's see how the super steady video capturing performs. Not bad. Then how about the Galaxy Note 8? Let's go back to the hardware itself. The Prison White looks pretty good under the sunlight. And the new AMOLED display with 1200 nit looks pretty good, pretty crispy. Let's look at the gallery. You can see that the photo looks almost like the same in your eyes. And the photo looks crispy, and multitasking is buttery smooth. Well, let's compare the S10 screen with Galaxy Note 8 under the sunlight. Well, in the desktop, you can see the contrast ratio on S10 is much better. How about in the camera mode? Well, you can tell that the S10 screen is absolutely fantastic. You can see the difference. Yeah, much brighter, much more contrast ratio. How about the camera? Let's take a look. In the first time, Samsung Galaxy S10 features 3 cameras: super wide angle, standard wide angle, and telephoto lens. 咁就佢直接可畫嘅。
係要幫人控制嘅，你唔知控制左右加右，只需要控制幾時咧？單邊卡幾時呢個標你可以揀嗰度。
That's it for today. Subscribe the channel. More videos about S10 coming soon. See you then.
Let's take a quick setup on the S10 first. You will have the... Let's pick up... Let's see if there is English for Hong Kong. Wow, let's select the traditional Chinese for Hong Kong first. Okay. Yeah. Transfer your old data to the new phone. Let's skip it. Yeah, and let's bypass it first. And see we have in this phone. Okay. Not now. Yes. Bypass. Yes, let's bypass them first. Okay, almost done. Here we have the Samsung Galaxy S10 UI. Yeah, there is a lot of pop-ups here. Okay, let's compare the screen with the Galaxy Note 8. Let's compare the full brightness first. You can see the difference between the 1200 nit screen and the 600 nit screen on the Galaxy Note 7. Let's see what the difference. Apparently, the screen on the Samsung Galaxy S10 looks much brighter in the room, and you can see the contrast ratio is not that different for these two displays. Yeah, at least not at the first glance. Okay, it's too bright, so I have to set up the auto brightness control. Otherwise, my eyes are broken, I guess. How can I put down this menu? Yes, we have the auto control. Okay. Okay, let's take a quick look on the Samsung Galaxy S10 first. You can see that there is a little cutout on the screen. There is a little cutout on the screen at the top right corner. But as the wallpapers by default selected on this phone, you can see that this cutout is pretty much good higher at the background.